Mark Emily on behalf of ExpertVillage. It's finally time to start brewing. One of our first steps is going to be to add our liquid extract to hot water to help liquefy it further. Now we're going to start adding water to our kettle. We're going to add about a gallon right now. After we've added the water, we're going to turn on the heat and start aiming for a temperature of 165 degrees. Now we're going to add our grains to our steeping bag. You can either use the muslin sack and tie it off, or you can use one of the nylon steeping bags. Now that we've got our temperature where we want it, we're going to start adding our grains. We're going to turn off the heat. Now we're going to add the steeping grains into the water. We're going to mix them around so that we can start getting some nice extraction of the grains. Get some nice color. We want the temperature to stabilize in the 150s. When it's done this, we want to put the lid on and let it sit for a half an hour.